A country's culture is reflected not only in its flag and music, but also in its cuisine. Typical of Georgia are dumplings filled with minced meat, known as khinkalis. Khinkalis are relatively easy to make and do not require too many ingredients. It starts with the dough, which is made from flour, water, and salt. A filling of minced meat, chopped onion, salt, spices, and water is mixed in a bowl. Cut round pieces of dough from the flattened dough. Place a tablespoon of the filling in the center. In slow motion, it is nice to see how pressing and pulling gives the dumpling its characteristic shape. A khinkali has about 12 folds, but in the mountainous regions of Georgia can have up to 19. It is important that the dumpling is tight and that the filling does not leak out. The finished dumplings are placed in a pot of boiling salted water and are ready after a few minutes. Khinkalis are eaten by biting a hole in the upward-facing pocket, slurping the spicy broth, and then eating without the stalk.